Good day everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Polka Dot House. Today I will show you how to make a Dungaree pattern. All you need is 3 measurements. The first, overall length of the Dungaree, a bustier position, and start there, the measurement going down to the end. The second measurement is the crotch measurement. Again, from the armpit line going to the crotch, which is the middle of your undercarriage. The third measurement is the hip. I will use my own measurement. My pull length is 47. Okay, so that 47, if you want to have a turn up, you can add 3 to 4 inches, but I will use 4 inches. So my pull measurement will become 51. And then my hip measurement is 40. So that 40 divided by 4, that is 10. As put 5 inches is hip measurement, the total is 15, right? So that 15 will be the measurement of our pattern. My crotch, and then that is 25. So our main measurement, as I have said, we need only 3 measurements. 51 for my full length. My quarter hip measurement is 15 and my crotch is 25. Cut a piece of paper of the full measurement, which is 51. And then the width of the paper is double of the 15. So this is 30. Alright? So that 30 we will divide into 2. 15 and 15. We will get the center. Let's put a center line. So this is the division of your front and your back pattern of your Dungaree. We will get the crotch measurement, which is 25. 25. This is our crotch. Alright. From here to here, we need to put another line, which is the height of your waist. For me, I measure already from the bust line to my waist. That is 11. If your torso is shorter than me, you can use 10. If your torso is longer, you can use 12. For me, I use 11. So you will not lost. Now, in the length, so this is 47 plus the 4 inches turn up. So let's put a line for the 4 inches. Here. Let us square this one. This will become the turn up allowance. Your full length line. Alright, okay, line of the crotch. This is the line of your waist, and this is the line of your full length. Now, let's put this edge as center front. This one is the side seam. And then let's put here center back. The corner here, from the center front, you will measure 3 inches in. And then from the side seam, going in here, you will measure 6. In the back, this time, this is 6. In the back, you will measure 7. Why 7? Because the back is more longer. The corner here, from the center back line, if we make 3 inches in the center front, we will make in the back this time 4 inches. From this line, alright, we will go here, put a mark for 2 inches, put a mark for 2 inches, okay? So, that 2 inches, connect this to this measurement, connect like that, and this one is connect here, and then curve and curve the other side as well. There is one important thing you need to mark. These 2 inches, put another mark of 1 inch, put another mark of 1 inch there, inches, connect this. Alright, and then curve. So this is your center front crotch. So same thing in the back. That 4 inches, continue this line to the crotch, and same thing in the front. Carve this. Okay, I hope you are following. In this line of the crotch, put 2 inches mark up, 2 inches mark down, and connect this one from that point. Connect this one from this point. Okay. Now let's go to the bottom part of the dungaree. Starting from the front, put a mark from that center front line going 3.5. Connect it to the crotch. Okay, 2.5 and 2.5. So now same thing in the front. We will go in as well by 3.5 there, and then let's connect this one to the crotch. Now this is your dungaree pattern. This is the back. Okay, let's put this is back and this is front. Look it very smooth, just blend nicely. There you go. And then here so it's not too hippie. Okay, from here, let's cut. But before that, the hem, we have a 4 inches span up here, right? So let's fold it like that. By the way, this pattern, there is already a sewing allowance of 1 centimeter. Okay, then fold like that and cut and cut. Not too much complicated because this is Dungarees loose overall pants, and this is very good in summer if you will use a very colorful material. Right? This is your back. This one is your front. There. So this, alright, so this is our pattern of Dungarees. Look, this is the front and this is the back. We need to make the pocket. We need 3 pockets. So this is front pocket. Cut 1. Okay. Okay. So this is side pocket. Cut 2 pieces. Okay, let's cut this one. And I do hope you learned something today. How to make a Dungaree pattern. In my next video, I will show you how the outcome of this pattern in the material, and also I will show you how to stitch. Thank you very much, and I hope you learned something today about how to make a Dungaree pattern. Thank you very much. Please share, like, and subscribe.